Yo, what's poppin'? It's your boy, Hand of Henry, and I got another unboxing today from the folk at the Gundam Play Store. The good folk at the Gundam Play Store. You feel me? Gunplay is freedom. Gunplay is freedom. You feel what I'm saying? I placed this order on Friday, and usually, his shipping pretty smooth. Anytime I place an order on Friday, it come on in. I have it whenever I get off work on Monday. You feel me? So it's pretty swift as far as the shipping and whatnot. And yeah, I'm gonna go ahead. Ain't no need in wasting no more time. Ain't no need. Got a new blade. Got a little safety button though, cause you gotta use two hands. It ain't no flick out situation. So yeah, we're gonna bust this box open now. Go right here. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Another Iron Blood Orphans kit, another sticker. Another one of these. These is dope ass stickers. I'm gonna go ahead and keep it all the way being with you. This logo is fire. I'm gonna have to go ahead and get me one of the t-shirts with this on here. See this over here next to the kit I am currently paneling. That video coming soon. Gonna be a short little, it might not even be a minute long. It might be a minute long, might not. We'll see. But yeah. Got another Iron Blood Orphan kit. I'm not sure how to pronounce the name. I'm not even gonna try. You know what I mean? I'm not even gonna try. Have myself looking crazy. I'm not gonna try. But this kind of arm shield drill thing reminds me of the same kind of thing on the Death Cypher, but not really. It's a similar kind of thing. This is a dope looking kit. This dope looking kit all together. Dump this on out. No marker. And this package is lit. Like, this way in the box, so I'm gonna cut. I come right back. Alright, but yeah, that packaging is lit though. It's in there tight. It's in there real tight. You know what I mean? Ain't no bouncing around and all that. But I don't know too much about this kit at all. I'm pretty sure it's just another kit from the manga, which I can't get a hold of in English, But right here you see he has like a sword mace similar to what the Barbatos has, and like a little drill shield situation, Got a rifle, that can be mounted, and they just called it a mace, and not the sword mace like Barbatos, but it's kind of similar. But this is short. It's got like prongs on it, to do a little bit more damage. Dope looking box, cool looking box. The artwork. See, I ain't gonna be able to, catch it in the manga. You feel me? But yeah, all right, fully built. That's how the That's not the best picture. It's just blurry. It's not focusing. But on fully built, you can kind of make out what it's supposed to be. And what do you know? What do you know? The Barbatos himself. But it got kind of the, I don't know what you call these, extra arms or what coming out of his back thrusters. Kind of reminds me of the Gujin, what the Gujin got going on with the extra arm situation out of his backpack. Much as far as the tour of the box, like I said, I can't really speak too much on the kit because I don't know shit about the kit other than it look cool as fuck. It kind of, the Barbatos, it does have a lot of similarities to Barbatos, to be honest. I'm with you. That's probably why I got it, to be honest. I done said to be honest like twice, 3 times, 4 times already. But yeah, I'm messing with it. Especially with just the white and red color scheme. Even though that's those two colors are like widely used in all Gundam series all over. The white, red, and gold, white, red, and blue. It's always a couple kits, not a couple kits, but a couple suits in each Gundam series that got that color scheme. You know what I mean? But yeah, looking forward to busting this down. It's gonna be my next build. I should be I can be done with this in the morning. There's not much to it. I have the thinner nibs to get on off in them crevices. You feel me? I can get on off in them crevices. Right nice. I tell you what though, I am glad I got to set this set of 3 when I did, because it seems as though they are elusive, you know, with the I think it's 3mm nib. I'm not sure. I think it's 3mm. I'm not 100%. But anyway, after I finish that, I'm gonna get started on busting this down and throwing this together and putting that video together. I'm gonna also panel line like all my Iron Blooded Orphan kits, and yeah, for right now, this is what it is. Probably, matter of fact, after I get done filming this, I'm probably gonna jump onto the website and see if I can see what's in stock, see if I can find another one. Because there's another version of this suit, but it's like all red, and he has like a katana, and I forget the specific name of it, but I'm more than likely gonna do that one next. After this, I'm gonna get it in next and bust it down after this bad boy right chip. You feel me? Still ain't got no shelving up, you know. Hey. Don't look. But still ain't got no shelving up right now, but it's gonna happen. Yeah, I ain't gonna make this video too long. So I will catch y'all cats in the next one. Stay tuned for the build video. Stay tuned for the panel line video. And y'all catch y'all next one. It's been your boy. I'm out.